What's going on, everybody? It is me, Jay Renard, and we are here for yet another glorious unboxing day. This is going to be another one of those unboxing days that has literally nothing to do with Leathercraft, so if that's what you're looking forward to right now, I've got a couple coming later, but this is not one of them. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, here we go. So this comes to me all the way from Prince Edward Island in the glorious country of Canada. From Vitamin C Studio. Go check this guy out on Etsy. Does some great work. Check that out. It looks like a cufflink. It's pretty awesome. All right. So I've kept this thing on profile so as to generate a bit of the suspense here. So I've recently been getting a little more into having some jewelry. And I saw this style of material on Alex Steele's YouTube channel. He's a blacksmith, a young guy, but really talented. Him and Will Stelter. And he had made a piece of some of this here. It's not regular steel or titanium or anything like that. It's Mokume Gane, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And that is, instead of for regular Damascus steel, it's high carbon and high nickel steel. This is neither. This is copper and nickel. Look at that. That is great. I like how that looks right there. So this is going to be the matching piece for the opposite hand for the wolf's head ring that I got right there. This one's a little showy, and honestly it does come across as if it's a wedding band, but it's not. It's got the blue diamond and the black diamond in the nose. It's real subtle. So I've got this. Now this fits nice and smoothly. It's not loose, but you know, maybe it could be a little bit snug, more snug. But this is definitely too small for these two here. So, new addition. This will be making its rounds more and more in the videos. I don't see myself taking the rings off unless I'm doing some work with dyes or anything like that that could get underneath it, and we don't need that. But yeah, quick unboxing. Vitamin C Studios out of PEI in Canada. Check them out. Alright, that's all I got for myself. I'm Jay Renard, and I'm out. Peace.